If you've had a hard day, one way to unburden yourself is to take a hot bath.
How's the people? Are the people all here?
But for Siobhán O'Loughlin, taking a hot bath is how she helps others wash their troubles away.
You think you're coming for the show, but then you're leaving with, hopefully, ideally, a different sense of community than maybe you had before.
Wait, show? Bathroom? Bathtub? Obviously, an explanation is in order. Siobhán O'Loughlin is a performance artist who has been appearing off and on for almost a decade in a play she wrote called Broken Bone Bathtub, performed while actually taking a bath, wearing nothing but bubbles and a colorful cast taped onto her left arm. She's been doing the show in bathtubs all over the world, including several in St. Louis.
All of my performances are designed to get people to talk, and in some cases to trick people into feeling so confident with me that they start to share things that they might not have otherwise felt comfortable enough to share.
Have you felt jealous of someone else in your life?
Sure.
It's the most beautiful communal experience I've ever known in the theater.
Just the too much thing just like happens.
I describe Broken Bone Bathtub as an immersive theatrical experience where the audience engages with the storyteller who's actually reliving the event.
That event happened in 2014. Siobhán was in Brooklyn riding her bike when she got into an accident that left her with a badly broken hand, a cast she had to keep dry, and a dilemma.
I lived in an apartment in Brooklyn where I only had a shower. I had the experience of people asking me how they can help and what they can do for me. After my first day of trying to wash my hair in the sink, I was like, yeah, you know what? If you have a bathtub, I would totally come over.
I can't take the pressure.
At a time when she was feeling especially vulnerable, those encounters made her feel less alone and more loved. A year later, she turned her experience into a kind of show within a show, charming and disarming obviously small audiences into coming clean about their own life experiences. Come for the show, stay for the therapy.
I love asking people about when the last time they cried was. I love that question.
Now, Siobhán has produced a new kind of show about her show within a show, and she's taking it on the road. It's a film documenting her final year touring Broken Bone Bathtub, being shown at festivals including the St. Louis Fringe Fest. Broken Bone Bathtub, the play, was first seen in St. Louis in 2016, playing the big room, meaning the big bathroom, at the Lemp Mansion.
Some of the critics said, this is the weirdest thing I've ever experienced. And I'm like, yes, it is.
I have like depression, anxiety, I have like panic attacks, like I have all these.
She just starts telling the story and then she stops and goes, God, I felt really vulnerable in this moment, and looks right at someone in the audience and says, have you ever had a moment where you felt vulnerable? And they say, yes. And she's like, would you be willing to tell me about it? And then they open up, and the things that I heard in the time that we produced it here at the Lemp Mansion, I was gobsmacked.
Siobhán brought Broken Bone Bathtub back to St. Louis for a second time in 2019, performing at the LaSalle Park home of Jeff Story.
She handed me a pitcher and she asked if I would wash her hair. So I poured water over her head and I washed her hair as she sang. It wasn't quite analogous to the washing of the feet, but it was really an intimate moment. Yeah, it was a little weird, but I felt like there was a connection in that moment.
After more than 600 performances, Siobhán rarely does it anymore.
I'm exhausted.
Instead, she hopes her documentary about Broken Bone Bathtub will offer audiences a new story to soak up.
Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for saying.
I just believe so deeply in going out to see things and experiencing things with people that my main intention with this film is to reveal some of the behind the scenes of the independent artist world that we sometimes visit. But more than that, it is to celebrate and honor and encourage everyone to continue to step out and to seek out these kinds of events, because in my opinion, they are very much not just worthwhile, but necessary for. I'm gonna cry. They are necessary for the human spirit.